Okay, this is regular geometry. This is our probability unit, unit 4, and this is section 4.2.1 exercises. So the first one says, out of 20 contestants in the state math championship, 10 are girls. For this round, each contestant gets asked one question. The first question goes to a randomly chosen contestant. So what is the probability the first contestant is a girl? Well, if there's 20 contestants total, and 10 of them are girls, that's a 10 out of 20 chance, or 1/2. Or you could write it as 25, or you could write it as 50%. So there's a few different ways we can just write that probability, but there's a half chance, 50% chance, 1 in a 2 chance that it's a girl. If the first contestant is a girl, what is the probability the second contestant is a girl? So we got to visualize that out of that pool of 20 people, 10 of them are girls, and then in the first question, 1 has been taken away. So we're now left with 19 people total, and only 9 of them are girls. So if you're working with a probability where an event has happened and you're moving on to the next event, but the number has decreased, obviously, because like a marble's been taken away, or a balloon's been popped, or something like that. In this case, a person has already been chosen. You have to reflect those both in the total number and the amount that are left in that specific instance. So the probability the second contestant is a girl is 9 out of 19. It doesn't reduce at all. So you see that it's 9/19. And C is the probability that the second contestant is a girl independent of the first contestant being a girl. I would say it is not independent. I would say the probability that the second contestant is a girl is dependent on the first contestant being a girl. Because if the first contestant was not a girl, then the probability would change. It would then be 10 out of 19 instead of 9 out of 19. So the probability of the second contestant being a girl is going to change. It's going to be dependent on if that first contestant is a girl or not. And every subsequent contestant after that as well. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, you're always welcome to like, subscribe, or share the videos.